Good morning, class. How are you? I am Premlata, your geography teacher. So today we will start 11th class geography chapter 6, soils. It is clear that in this chapter we will be learn about different types of soil. What are the causes? How we are seeing different type of soil in very near about areas, we can say little bit distances. So what are the causes of this? First of all, why do we need to discuss this topic? What are the benefits of soil for us? You all are aware that we all are living on the land base and we all are depend on the plants for fulfilling our 95% needs, and all the creatures, the animals, these are also depend on the forest, or we can say vegetations. So where we can grow the plant? In soil. So first question arises, what is soil? Why do we need? Why different type of soils are beneficial for us? Why we are getting different soil formations which are rich in different types of vegetations, different types of crop systems in our country. All are aware in the previous chapters also. In chapter 2nd we have discussed, in class 10th, chapter 1st we have discussed the types of soil. So what are the characteristics of different types of soil we will learn with the help of today's video. So first of all, during the ancient or medieval time periods, the soil were divided into two categories. Firstly we will discuss about those, then we will discuss the modern era, the types of soil, how can we classify them. Let me start. Classification of soil. So, first of all, the soil can be classified into two categories, Urvara and Ursa. Urvara was that part of soil which were net sown areas, which were sown each and every year and giving more production. Because of at that time there was no irrigation system developed, so completely the production was depend on rainfall and completely depend on the climatic conditions. So those regions which are giving lot of production each and every cropping time period, these were count in the Urvara soil. Next one is Ursa soil. Ursa soil is the inferior quality of soil that was not used like net sown areas. Continuously we can grow the crops in those areas. We have to leave them for 1 or 2 years to getting the fertility, or we can use that part of land for other purposes, like that pasture areas, like that wasteland we can use for constructing roads, buildings, like that. So during the 16th century that was realized that soil can be classified again. Because of this time period, the little bit industrialization took place and most of the part, these were wasteland. They were used as the agriculture field for the croppings due to the growing population. So soil can be classified on the basis of their textures, on the basis of color. We can classify the soil on the basis of their moistures also. So here on the basis of textures, 3-4 types of soils are found: sandy soil, loamy soil, clayey soil, like that. On the basis of color, we can classify the soils into red, yellow, black soil. So how these colors are given to the types of soil? How the soil is formed? Because soil is different type of soil is made up of different types of rock formations. You all are aware that the interior part of earth is made up of different rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. So on the behalf of these parental rocks, different types of soils are found, and soils are the mixtures of different substances, and these are the homes of different types of creatures like that earthworms and other substances, and different types of soils are having different types of minerals. Some soils which are having iron ores, these are known as red and yellow soil. Those soils which are formed due to volcanic eruptions, these are known as black soil. Clear? Now, after the independence, the Soil Survey of India. After the independence, it was realized that the soil can be classified into different parts so that we can get more profit in the fertile regions. So in 1950, first of all, the Soil Survey of India was established. In our country, the soil classified on the base of the USA Department Agriculture, and we can say the USDA soil taxonomy. So that taxonomy we will be discussing in the next video. So on the behalf of today's video, you will be write what is soil, why do we need it. Then next you will write how can we classify the soil, what are the basics of the soil, how many types of rock formations are there. You will be discuss and write in your notebook the soil profile. Earlier you have discussed in the previous classes also. Thank you and have a nice day.